On the second day of Christmas, my true love said to me, two turtle doves.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas
From Quilts Plus.
Yes,
In Kalamazoo, Michigan.
it's our 12 days of Christmas.
Yes, it is. And on the second day of Christmas,
My true love gave to me.
Lots of beautiful things at Quilts Plus.
Today I want to show you a special pattern that just came in. It's a new purse pattern. The name of it is Luci. It's very stylish with a unique shape. It's got eye-catching detail. And the fun thing about this pattern is you're going to learn how to do 3 different types of zippers. Now don't let that scare you. The pattern is very informative. It's very good. Gives you step-by-step instructions. This pattern, or this kit, we're selling it as a kit, includes the pattern, which is $10 by itself. It has the chain connectors. These are very nice. They're nice weight. They're heavy, and that, as you can see in the pattern, is what connects the purse to the straps. They're called strap connectors. And then we've got yardage. We've got 3 different fabrics in there. You only see 2 of them, but we've got the base, and then the upper part, and then the lining. I have chosen a couple of batiks that I think are beautiful together. I always love a big print for my main fabric on a purse. Sometimes you don't know what to do with those. This is something to do with it. It also takes fusible fleece, an SF101. It takes a double slide zipper, and then 2 zippers on a roll. The double slide zippers, we do have some in stock, but very few. We like to personally order those for you so you get the right shade for the fabrics you pick. Now normally this kit altogether with all of its parts and pieces would be $50, but today and today only we're offering it to you for $42.50. Now in that offer you will come in, you will select your fabrics. You can have whatever you want. I picked batiks because it suggests fabrics that don't unravel, and I'm sure that has to do with the zippers. But anyway, this is a great looking purse. We haven't even had a chance to make it up yet. I hope to see you soon.
Today's special, we are featuring Lori Holt, and we are featuring her table runner kit that we have here in the store. There's a limited number, limited quantity available. Now, this table runner I've actually got all the fabrics that I've pulled out so you can see just how much product you get in this table runner kit, which comes in this really sweet little box right here, and you can see that, and it's magnetized, so you can just pop it open, if I can find that right here, and you'll find all your product inside. This table runner, I'll just show you or tell you a little bit more about it. It's called Prim Baskets Table Runner, and it is 23 by 41, so that's a really nice size table runner. This includes all of your fabrics in here that you need that go with it, and this little box here, and your pattern as well. So you'll see that it is $59.95, but today we have it, just today, for $50.95. Again, there's a limited quantity, and we would like you to take advantage of this if you can. Call us in the morning, because that's the best time to make sure that you get an opportunity to purchase this. We also have a few of her coordinating fabrics, not many, but we have a few. Those are also included in this limited time opportunity. These are 15% off for these bolts, and you can see here just how beautifully they complement this table runner. You also have the opportunity, even though this is a table runner, you can always make it bigger, and you could do some fun things with this where you even made it into a throw size quilt if you wanted to, using these additional fabrics. So keep that in mind. You know what, I kind of think outside the box, kind of like what you see here. So I like to usually add to some things, and that's usually kind of the way I go when it comes to making projects. So then we also have here her Quilty Fun book. And I'll just flip this around so you can see that. It's called Quilty Fun, Lessons in Scrappy Patchwork by Lori Holt. That book is also available today, and only today, for it's $27.95 normally, and we have it for $23.75. Again, a limited number of limited quantity. So call us, and we will have that ready for you. All right, so we're gonna move on to our next special. And again, you can take advantage of this. Now we have here a panel. I'm going to see if Amber can zoom in on that. This panel is one of the most stunning panels that I've come across. It has these beautiful, beautiful flowers, and it's called blooms, and it uses some complementary fabrics here, and those are a ombre fabric. So as you open those up, those will go from lighter to darker. You're going to find that it really complements this panel. This panel can be used, you could make a pillow if you would like to with it. You can also do a bag. We have Poppins bag that we've seen that really works well with this panel, as well as I even thought it might be fun to make it into a quilt, and I would probably grab a couple panels because then I would have a little bit more opportunity to grab a couple of these blooms and just kind of make that into a throw size. I could even do queen size depending on what I'm going to be using. So we have the ombre fabrics for you today. Those are also 15% off. We're offering those today. And then we also have the panels for you. The panel, you're probably wondering how big that is and just how much it is. It's $10.90 normally for the panel, and we have it for $9.25. Size, you can kind of see here, not exactly, I think it's 36 by 45, something like that. So it's a nice size. Again, you can cut it apart, or you can use that all as one piece. You can use it in bags, you can use it in quilts, you can use it in table runners. We didn't mention that, but you can do that as well. So call us today. We can have that ready for you and available. If you want something kitted up, we'd help you with that as well. So our phone number is 269-383-1790. Call us. We'd love to help you out.